Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and today we're stuck in Dunkirk, New York, where we've been for a couple days. We're riding out some weather over here on the weather meter. You know, we've got sustained wind right now of 12 miles an hour with 15 mile an hour sustained. They've been up to, we've had 26 mile an hour winds already today. Gusts. Yesterday was 58 mile an hour winds, so we're letting this low pressure get through here, so we're taking advantage of it. And today we're going to change out the racor, and I'll take you down in the engine room here of Southern Estate, and we'll show you guys us changing out this filter real quick. It should only take a few minutes. We lost this in New York, actually. Well, we've been in New York a long time, it seems like. Anyway, we'll get these filters changed out today, take advantage of the time off. Yesterday I went to the dentist. I got some dental work done, about $400 worth of dental work done. It was quite expensive actually, but I had a couple fillings done real quick, and they glued my cap back on. So, and thanks whoever said, hey, just use the polydent. That did work. It worked well for a couple days while we were getting to a dentist. Also got all my medications. Got to Walmart using the electric bike and Daisy's cart to go get groceries and stuff like that. So everything's working out really well. Anyway, let's get down here in this engine room and see what we got. Alright guys, so I'm going to change out this racor right here, and it's this in this filter right here. This is for our generator right here, and that's one of the projects we're going to get done today. We also have to pull the side cover. You can't really see it here, but we're going to pull the side cover off of here and check the antifreeze in the generator. Okay, so Chief, you got this?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, so we got the oil changed, or not the oil, we got the generator running, we changed the racor. That only took a few minutes actually. And then we have to, and we checked the antifreeze in the generator. So it seems to be running fine. We took it all the way up to temperature, checking it to make sure everything was fine. I do need to get a couple extra racors because I'm down to my last racor.